You see this? All coffee, no my protein flavour drops. That is on my 20 maturity. I no longer sweeten my coffee. I know, I never thought I'd see the day either. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video where I recreate YouTubers' outfits. Some fellow friends, some people I've never met before, some of my favourite styles, some styles that are so different to mine. I scrolled through a few YouTubers' Instagrams and picked out some outfits that I love, some outfits that are really different to the things I wear. Let me tell you, this video was expensive. She was expensive, and whether I will be actually bothered to make the returns of the items that I won't be keeping, that's a secret I'll never tell. First up, we have the lovely Kate Elizabeth. Kate wears a lot of colour. That was something I really noticed looking through her Instagram and her TikTok. She shares a lot of her fashion. She actually has a whole separate fashion account just dedicated to her outfits. This was the outfit I chose to recreate, a little yeehaw, double denim cowboy moment. Yeehaw. Yeehaw. Oh my gosh, I would never ever usually wear something like this. I would also never do my hair like this. I'm wearing silver hoops. Silver, no gold, well a bit of gold, but silver. The skirt is a little bit big. Unfortunately they didn't have my size. I did have to order this because, believe it or not, I don't really have stuff like this lying around in my wardrobe. But if you look in there, you'll find about 20 pairs of black jeans, all from the same place and all the same size. Why am I like that? I don't know. I honestly was expecting to put this on and sob. Like, when I say sob, I mean hysterical. I feel like I should be on a film set for Euphoria.
Hot and sexy and beautiful. And she's nothing like that. She's nothing of the sort. Or something else with this amount of boobs out.
I've also paired this outfit with a pair of black boots. I could only vaguely see that she was wearing some black boots, but hers were kind of more high boots. These ones are still quite low, but I still think it kind of passes the vibe check. Kate, honey, you really did something with this outfit. It looks a lot better on her because she has all beautiful long wavy pink hair, and I've got hair that hasn't seen a hairdresser since September. Look at that. I slept with it in plaits the other night and it's still recovering. I feel like a TikTok girl, which, I mean, Kate is part of the British TikTok royal family. Let me know what you guys think. Do I pull it off? Or maybe don't let me know. She had a little white pearl necklace on, but I don't have one of those, so I just put this one on. I've never ever seen myself in something like this, so take it easy.
The next YouTuber we have is Miss Chinzia Bayless Solo. Basically just an excuse to copy a fire outfit and wear it in the future, as well as place a delicious little order on Urban Outfitters. These are the two outfits I decided to recreate. Oh, stunning every time.
I'm just not doing it justice. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love this outfit, but I really struggled to find a corset similar, and I did ask Lewys to bring his Dior, or were they Gucci? I don't know. All designer monograms literally look the same anyway. I did ask Lewys to bring over his monogram jeans yesterday, but I think he forgot and I didn't want to make him feel bad about it, so I am just in a plain pair of jeans. Jeans which are so tight, I actually think they're about to hit my uterus, and I am on my period right now. Whoa, that was a lot of information all in one. I do love this outfit altogether. I mean, it does give off a similar vibe. I copied her hair. I put in some sort of medium-sized gold hoops, a little curb chain, and then just another thin little chain necklace. I'm going to leave links to as many pieces as I can as well down below if you see anything you like in this video. I feel like Chinzia. Sophia and Chinzia are the reigning queens of the 18 to 24 demographic, and I won't hear anything else. The amount of influence that those girls have on my shopping, spending habits, my wardrobe is quite terrifying. Terrifying, but impressive. Keep it up, girls. You're doing a great job. I'm really enjoying this. I feel feminine, I feel girly. I feel like this corset is not too dissimilar from my usual style. I'd never usually do my hair like this because, hi, how are you? God, I haven't seen you in a while. Do you like it? Do I embody Miss Bayless Solo? A girl can dream. I had to do another Chinzia outfit. What do you expect? I think I just want to be her. The girl has the key to my heart, as well as a ginormous basket on Jean Vintage. This outfit isn't a complete replica. I do actually have a Zara bandeau, but I genuinely, when I tell you I've turned my bedroom upside down, like, I have turned my bedroom upside down. trying to find it, but nowhere to be seen.
Wasn't it just my luck after filming this video when putting all the clothes away back in their place? Guess what I find? Okay, this is gonna be really awkward now because I bet it's gonna take me a while to find this. The bloody top I wanted to wear. This was the top I was gonna wear and just tuck the straps in, but we live and we learn, live life, breathe air. Everybody has those days.
The top she had on the picture was strapless, so like if you just imagine it like this. I've tried tucking in these straps, but it just, I feel like because it's a different neckline, it doesn't really hit the same. Or does it look like my nipples are about to fall out? I never do my hair like this. Like, as I said, I never scrape it back, but I am kind of enjoying it. I'd need to hairspray it a bit to sort of hairspray my baby hairs up, but I feel like it almost kind of conceals my dodgy hairline. We'll be whipping this one out in the future. I actually already owned the skirt that she wore in the photo. Anytime I order clothes and then I'll see it on Sophia or Chinzia's Instagram, I'm like, yes, you did something right. This is a cute little side cutout skirt from ASOS. Unfortunately, I did buy a size too big. I just panicked, you know. I always panic about clothes being too tight. She says that she's literally got every single little bit of side fat spilling out of this top. It's just a little skirt with like a cutout and a rhinestone detail here. In the photo, she's sort of squat down with some clear heels on. I'm assuming the Zara ones because I know they put me onto the Zara ones and then I put Olivia onto the Zara ones, and now I want to put everyone onto the Zara clear heels. If you haven't bought the Zara clear heels, get them before, is it 21st of July? 21st of June? You know what I'm talking about. I feel powerful. Do I look powerful? Nailed it.
And this next culprit of the video is my best friend, Miss Neil. I was actually really giggling scrolling through her Instagram. I got pretty far down. Brown-haired Olivia? Who? Don't know her. Well, I do know her. I actually live with her, but look at this photo. Lol. Okay, cool girl. Anyway, this is the outfit I decided to recreate. Very true to Miss Neil's style, and also just one I wanted to wear. You know, I kind of throw myself down a few times in this video, and I just wanted to feel good, and I feel like this is a feel-good outfit. Pinterest vibes only. Bestie vibes. Okay, I'm gonna shut up. Here's the outfit.
Oh, yeah. Ha! Prankster! It's me. It's not Olivia. Of course, I couldn't leave my best friend out. Miss Neil. Oliver Toenail. We gal from Donegal. We all know and love her, and we all love her style, including me. That girl bangs out some heat. Fire. I sound like a mum. I have nailed this outfit to a T. Part of the fact is because this was actually the top that she bought in the photo. She borrowed it from me. I'm wearing this little black rib vest from Zara. This skirt is also from Zara. Just got some plain black tights on and this big black bomber jacket. I couldn't see exactly what sort of size of hoop she was wearing in the photo, but I could definitely see a glimmer of hoop. So I put these ones in, which are from Deluxe Choker Store, and we all know I have enough hoops to supply the whole of Goldsmiths. Is it Goldsmiths Girls who's like the hoop North Face aesthetic? I don't know. Well, Lewys went there, so yeah, must be. And let me put you onto this leather bomber jacket because this is from ASOS, but it literally has the same fit as the ones on Brick Lane or the vintage shops. When I told Olivia this was from ASOS, she was literally baffled. It is the perfect jacket. Billy Bobby Brown check. Let's whip that one out every haul video, and I think this outfit is the one that deserves it the most.
That's my best friend. He a real bad bleep. It's Louis Ball, ladies and gentlemen. Lewys has such a cool style. Fun fact, I'm actually Lewis's personal Instagram photographer. Unfortunately, I do not yet receive payments, but instead therapy sessions to heal from the hurdles of abuse when he doesn't like the angle. I don't know, sounds like a him problem. Anyway, this is the outfit I chose to recreate. Very cool, neutral vibes. Look at him, city boy. I took the photo. Yeah, I actually took the photo, so.
Did you really think I was gonna miss out Louis Ball? Because you were wrong. Luckily for me with this one, Lewys did actually copy me and buy the pair of jeans I already owned, but I mean, he's my best friend. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it did irk me a little bit, but it's just like, you know when it's just not worth falling out over? Joking, I ordered these after him and I've never been allowed to live it down. This outfit it. I tried, okay? I tried. Maybe I need to like bring the jumper down a bit more. It looks good on him, but it doesn't look good on me. It's also kind of different colors. I tried to go for the same vibe with this jacket. This jacket I actually stole off my sister, by the way, like when I still lived at home. So if she's watching this, I am fucked. And I have no doubt I will be receiving a very angry text message after. I've got the horse jeans on. I've also kind of done my hair up because obviously Lewys wasn't born blessed with these luscious locks. Joking. He is currently talking to me and Olivia about a very drastic hair decision, which I am trying to talk him out of, not because I don't think it will look good, but because I just can't be bothered for the moaning. What can I say? I really look out for my friends. Lewys literally looks so cool in everything he wears. He just kind of always looks like he's thrown on stuff together, but it always goes so cool. I actually think he's got some of the coolest style on Instagram. Hand me up, best friend. So as for this outfit, obviously I've got the jaded horse jeans on, but I also want to show you this because you can't see it right now because it is actually back to front. I put this jumper on back to front so that the neckline would be a little bit higher, but this jumper is actually from my best friend Byron Denton's new in collection, which he did. I am sorry, Byron, this is being modeled back to front, but would you expect anything less from me? It's this beautiful cream jumper. I honestly can't tell you, the quality of this is so soft, and then it's got some beautiful butterflies on the back. Do you know what? You could wear this back to front. I think it's cool with the butterflies on the back. It's the perfect length. I do find with oversized jumpers, usually they come down to about my knee because I'm so small. I'm a small little bee. Two male kings together, Mr. Louis Ball and Mr. Byron Denton. Love you both. Kisses. Lewys, sorry for buying the same pair of jeans as you. It's just because I think you're really cool. Argue with that one. I've had a lot of coffee, but I still need more. I'm also sweating. Can you see like actual shine on my face? Because, shall I tell you what temperature it is in my room right now? 28.5 degrees. I'm telling you, this flat is a sauna. They're trying to kill us in here.
Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Tuxford, the S to the C. If anybody radiates baby pink energy, it's Sofia Tuxford. Something about her, it's like she's just got this golden halo of glowing blonde hair. Everything I want to be. Olivia is actually obsessed with Sophia. Her name is brought up in our house at least once a day. These are the outfits I decided to recreate. Colourful, different for me. Pink. Pink is a new colour. Pink is a new colour that's very welcome in 2021.
Sophia, I'm really sorry. I mean, I got the shoes. Well, I didn't get them. They're Olivia's. I got them off the shoe rack out there. I tried so hard to find a little cute sort of pink, like pink, but not like this is pink. Like this is, whoa, hello, I'm Barbie. Give me a blonde wig and I'm ready to go. Hey, Ken, where you at? He actually might be over there because apparently Harry Styles lives over there. So hi, Harry. Olivia and I watched the whole of Behind Her Eyes in 2 days, and we were saying where was the first place we'd go. Straight into Harry Styles' apartment. Sorry, Harry, sorry about it. Look, I don't hate this dress. I got it from ASOS, but it is from Nike. Sophia just had her hair down in the picture. In the photo she was doing a cute little, but I don't have the bunda for that. She also had socks on with her trainers, which is something I don't typically do. I feel like because I'm short, when I wear socks with trainers, it just like, give me a couple months in the gym and a banging tan and I'll love it. Maybe, potentially. Yeah, I will love it. 2021 is the year of colour. I think about this photo on a daily basis. This outfit probably has to be the most makeshift DIY, but I think I kind of cracked the colours. It is a ASOS beach co-ord attempting to be a Revolve dress. I can't stay in this one on camera for too long, unfortunately, because it is completely see-through. You can see my underwear, and I don't want to do that on the internet. If I took a little more time constructing this, like as you can see, the strap here is underneath and then the strap here is over, you know what I mean. It's 28 degrees, I'm working up a sweat putting all these clothes on. I've got the exact same necklace that she had on in the photo. This one is from Deluxe Choker Store, but I actually think this is really cute. This is not how the co-ord is supposed to be worn. I basically just like played around with the straps of it. I mean, it doesn't look as good, obviously, but maybe this could have given you a little bit of inspiration to get in your wardrobe, wear things a different way, tie your top around your neck, or do a one shoulder moment with it.
Wait, did you really think I was gonna film a recreating YouTubers outfit video without including Lydia Bayless solo? I think the absolute not. Lydia's Instagram is also a holy space for baking. The CEO of baked oats, fluffy pancakes, banana breads, I need it all. I definitely have a lot of food envy watching her stories, but anyway, this was the outfit I decided to recreate. Look at her, so cute, so small, so petite in her big puffer. Why every time do I have to go and chat so much shit? I really like this outfit. Okay, let's put it on.
Another reigning queen of all of our Instagram feeds, Miss Lydia Bayless solo. She always pulls through with the most effortless, beautiful city girl fits. For this outfit, I am slacking a little bit. Lydia was doing the most and I'm probably doing... I think I could sit at 60%. I've got this white Champion hoodie on, which is just about covering what needs to be covered. And then this big black leather puffer. I can't tell in the picture if hers is a brown puffer or whether it's a black puffer. I think it might be a really, really dark brown, but unfortunately I don't have a brown puffer. But I do always get questions on this puffer, and it was actually from Zara Man. It's literally like the perfect little puffer, but I did get it in the sale, so I'm not too sure if they sell it anymore. I've paired it with some black boots like she wore in the photo. I think it's really cool. I definitely need to wear some cycling shorts if I wanted to wear this out of the house, because one gust of wind and I will be arrested. I've done my hair like hers. This is actually like something I do with my hair quite a lot. I like to have a couple of bits down. I can't wait to get back into the hairdressers. Oh my goodness. So if you remember me snapping all my hair out with a hairbrush, coming back, boys. I've paired it with this little brown bag like she did. She sort of had one of the Bottega, is it like Bottega Veneta? Ooh. Ooh, definitely will not be buying one of those till I can actually pronounce the name. I thought this bag gave off a similar vibe. If you remember when this bag was the only bag I'd ever wear, I feel like so many girls had this little Topshop bag. Actually looking at it is crazy. It's so many memories in here. What's in it? A nectar card. Oh my gosh, there's a sticker in it from Universal Studios Japan. If you didn't know, I did go to Japan. Oh my god, I need to take this off because a black leather puffer coat in a 28.5 degree robe is asking for health complications. So everyone, that is the end of my video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. There were actually other YouTubers I wanted to do, but I ordered the clothes and then got an email saying they were out of stock. But if you did enjoy this video, I will definitely do another one. I mean, there are so many YouTubers. I could even do TikTokers or just Instagrammers. Let me know if you want to see that, who you'd like to see. As I said before, I will try and leave as many links as I can in the description box for you guys if you liked any of these pieces. I love you all so much. I hope you're all having an amazing day. I hope it's sunny where you are. I hope it's 28.5 degrees where you are. I love you all so much and I will see you all very soon. Bye. Bye, kids. No, it's not my thing. It's not my thing. Stop doing it. It's not your thing. Don't tell Mum.